how to create your own ChatGPT prompt that brings unlimited content ideas to yourself. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will be able to create your own ChatGPT prompt. Hey, this is Chiranjeevi Rathore. I help coaches and consultants to get clients using high converting content strategies. So let's get started. Before proceeding, if you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe my channel so that you will be getting amazing content on this YouTube channel, and please hit the bell icon so you will be getting notified whenever I will upload a new video. So let's start. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own ChatGPT prompt, and I promise you on that part. But please don't skip this video because every part of this video is really, really important. Because I'm going to give you a step-by-step process which will help you to create your own ChatGPT prompt. So let's start. Train ChatGPT to create killer, irresistible headlines by creating your own prompt. Number one, know your expertise or interest. Whatever I'm going to share you, please note it down and be ready with it because in the end, you will be able to create your own ChatGPT prompt. Number one, expertise. What other skills I have built for myself? Just answer these particular questions for yourself because this is a one time exercise you have to do. What are the skills I have built for myself? What struggles have I faced? What problems have I overcome? What topics have I learned? And what stories have I experienced? Do answer all these questions because it is going to help you to create a customized prompt only for yourself so that it will create a content that not only get engagement but also get sales, because if you're a coach or consultant, that is the amazing thing you need right now. Next is interest. After answering these questions, next is interest. What problems do I want to overcome? What topics do I want to learn about? What struggles do I want to face head on? And what stories do I want to experience? Just answer these particular questions for yourself because it will help you to create content which is relevant to your niche, which is relevant to your experience, and which is relevant to your audience also. So, based on your expertise, based on your interest, answer these particular questions because it is going to help you to create amazing ChatGPT prompt. You can create your own ChatGPT prompt by the end of this video. Second is catalyst. To get started, skill, to achieve big outcome, to get your first outcome, to overcome problem, to unlock outcome, to do more without more work, to make progress on particular goal, to help you fix problem. Once you will be answering all your questions based on your expertise or interest, you will be able to answer these particular things like what skills you want to get, like on what skill you want to create content on, what is the big outcome you are looking for. Based on that, you can write that particular outcome. What are the problems you have faced for yourself or you are planning to solve for yourself? Those problems you have to write in this catalyst part. Okay. Once you know your expertise or interest, once you know the catalyst, next is 30 magical words. Just write these 30 magical words, pause this video, write it down, whatever I'm sharing, because it will help you to create your own ChatGPT prompt in the end. What are these words? So let me read it out. Tips, skills, tools, traits, steps, goals, habits, stories, books, benefits, secrets, quotes, insights, lessons, reasons, creators, routines, examples, mistakes, podcasts, questions, inventions, templates, resources, challenges, companies, realizations, data points, presentations, frameworks. So if you haven't written all these 30 magical words, do write it down, pause this video, write it down. It is available here, or just write every single word on your notebook because it will help you to create amazing ChatGPT prompt in the end. So once you know your expertise or interest, once you know your catalyst, once you know all the 30 magical words, now it's time to create your own prompt. Now we are going to create our own first ChatGPT prompt. So if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it because we are coming up with amazing videos in the future also. So this is how you have to create your own ChatGPT prompt. One topic from expertise or interest. What is your expertise? What are your interests? If you have written all the answers of the questions which I have mentioned in this section, you will know that what are your expertise or what are your interest areas. Choose one catalyst out of the catalyst I have given here. Next, write all the 30 magical words and create a prompt around it. Now I will tell you how to create a prompt around it. First of all, write one topic from expertise or interest plus write one catalyst plus write all the 30 magical words and ask ChatGPT to create amazing headlines and it will create it for you. I have tried it by myself, so you can try it by yourself and please do it. And you will be able to create your own ChatGPT prompt. And this is how you will create your ChatGPT prompts inside ChatGPT. Okay. So what you have to do is one topic from expertise or interest, write one catalyst, write 30 magical words. Write all the things in one sentence and ask ChatGPT to create amazing headlines. After that, when you get all the headlines, now you can ask ChatGPT to create a content based on that particular headline also. So this is how you can create your own ChatGPT prompt. Hope you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and do comment in the chat below how you find this particular video. And if you have implemented these strategies, do come back and share your ChatGPT prompt inside the comment section. So if you are a coach or consultant and if you want to really upgrade your content game, you can join my free Facebook community. Link is in the description only.